Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play eFootball on Ps4. First, make sure your PlayStation 4 is connected to the internet. Then, head over to the PlayStation Store. You'll want to search for eFootball and download the game. It's a free-to-play title, so you won't need to purchase it. Once downloaded, install it and you'll be ready for the next step. After installing eFootball, launch the game from your PlayStation 4 home screen. The game will guide you through setting up your Konami ID, which is essential for saving your progress and accessing online features. Take your time with the initial tutorial. It's a great way to get familiar with the controls and understand the core gameplay mechanics before diving into matches. eFootball offers several exciting game modes, including exhibition matches for quick play, My Club for building your dream team, and various online leagues to compete in. Experiment with the different control schemes available. Whether you prefer basic or advanced settings, there's an option for everyone. Don't forget to customize your team's tactics and formations to truly make the game your own. To elevate your eFootball gameplay, focus on mastering advanced techniques such as precise through balls, quick 1-2 passes, and effective defensive pressing. Engaging with the vibrant eFootball community online can provide invaluable tips, strategies, and opportunities for friendly matches to hone your skills. Remember to check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll see significant improvement in your game.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.